Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo tries to climb a steep hill trail. The path is rocky and tiring. He feels like stopping. An important word becomes useful. Persist. Persist means to keep going even when something is hard. Timo takes a deep breath and continues upward. He climbs one careful step at a time. At last he reaches the top. The view is beautiful and wide. Timo remembers that to persist means not giving up. He learns that effort and patience can help him reach his goal.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.